One day, you're flipping through interior magazines and realize that your home needs a new look. You would like to change your flooring, but that's not so easy because there is a lot of things you have to consider. You'd have to remove the old floor and make it level. But there's a much easier way. PureClick innovative vinyl planks with its unique click system. These vinyl planks are also water resistant, so you don't have to worry. Pure is a silent floor with a warm touch. Easily installed, you just place it on top of your existing floor. Sounds great, doesn't it? The planks are very light, and you can cut them with a Stanley knife. With the Dream Click system, you can make different patterns and even work on two sides at the same time. You can seamlessly combine the planks with the PureClick tiles to have a stunning result. BerryAlloc PureClick, the new generation of flooring.